negotiations with Christmas. Congratulations to all the winners on number 1, and it's now the betting time. You can auto-play and bet on all. But hey, has anybody started already decorating for Christmas? You know, November in Latvia is a month of Latvia because we have some special national days. Go to Baccarat. Oh, I love Baccarat. But I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, shoot. 10x on cash hunt, you guys. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Whoa, baby, let's go. Cash hunt time, guys. This is so beautiful. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. So, cash hunt. Big one this time. You see the multipliers? We are going to 10x on everything. Oh, yeah, 10x. Oh, oh, oh! So, obviously, booms. There is a 1000x. You know the rules. You want to find 1000x. Worms, please now. Yeah. Choose where you want to shoot. And shoot, please, okay? Your goal is to find 1000x. Lol. Also, Autopic is available, yeah? This is the big cash hunt. Time to reveal. Actually, it's hard to see. Anyways, booms. 23 winners on 1,000.
Would you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo! Crazy time toss Latvia is what it shows. A 7x on crazy time. Come on, stop on crazy. Come on, be crazy. Come on, be crazy. Be crazy, be crazy, be crazy. Oh, we did get a crazy time. Ooh, okay. No, well, I mean, let's go. Let's go. Crazy time, but not a casual crazy time at all, everybody. Ooh, this is gonna be special. Alrighty, let's set all the multipliers there. And then let's do the magic. 7 times from top slot. Alright, loving this. Woohoo, this looks amazing. I love it. Alrighty, guys, decision time is there. The green, the blue, the yellow, a flapper. Which one do you pick? Come on, 700x. I believe in non-doubles as well. Double for the green team. Let's go. Green team, I am crossing my fingers. $350 also for the green team. All right,
video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.